Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the odd graphics like a cycling odd on your WPS Office or Writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
So how to insert the out graphics on WPS Office Writer? Just click on the insert option here. Then you just need to click on the WS out, which is a out graphics. You just click here. You can see a lot of out graphics templates are here. So you just need to click anything and click OK and just click insert. Now you don't worry, there is a lot of the more style by choosing this option and colors. You can see the options in the top side. There is a 3D effect also for this type of effects, and you can also change the color of the thing like this. You can change the colors in different types. There is a different types of opinion and options and views in this. So after selecting a particular thing, you can see options called right to left, layout, text wrapping, alignment, lot of other thing. You just need to edit. Just click here and you just type anything that you want. And here you can also have another option to add the shapes below, add the shapes above, add the shapes after, or add the shapes before. I just click here. You can see the shapes has been added here, and you can see right to left. You can change anything by just clicking here, or left to right. You can see right to left. You can change the thing, and also there is a lot of more options like changing the theme color, changing the style, and lot of more. Just clicking on the whole tab, you can see a text wrapping option and a color fill option also here, and here this is a border option. So these are the options. You can also insert another thing. So I just going to insert another WPS art here. So it's like a box. Okay, click OK. Now you can see in this also we have a different type of shape, 3D shapes and 3D shades that gives a different look like this. So you can easily edit everything, and you can also resize the whole tab like this. So you can adjust it for your text that will be on here this side, and you can make adjustment and you can move the text and you can also make a text wrapping which side that you want. So this is so simple, and you can use the art graphics to work in your document. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office Writer, just like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the next topic in my next video, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.